Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro dollar monthly, I still believe this is a 1, 2, and I think we're in a wave 3, which I believe over the coming months will continue to go up, eventually finishing a wave 3, making a wave 4, and probably back up at least one more time for a wave 5. I still believe this uptrend is going to at least take out these highs and end up looking something along those lines. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first session of trend right here is clearly a wave 1. I think this is 3 waves down for an A, 3 waves up for a B, and then a 5-way pattern down for a wave C. I believe this is an expanding flat wave 2, and I believe that on this time frame it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and it's all going to be part of that wave 3. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we do definitely have the shape of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it could be a complete wave 1 of that wave 3 trend. Either way, I think this is going to make some sort of an ABC correction. If it really is a wave 2, then it possibly could go all the way down to the 61.8, take out the low of wave 4 before it actually does end up continuing up. If it's not a wave 2, then it's still very likely to go down to at least a 38 for 50% before it ends up continuing back up. Either scenario, we should be able to recognize when it does make a complete correction and turns back up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clear this 4 hour time frame is in a downtrend, probably still a wave A. I think that this is now 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and I think it is going to try to push up. I would think that it would push up prior to the CPI news, but I don't really think we have enough time for that. I do think that we need to go up more to finish off a wave B and then go back down and make a wave C, like I was explaining on the longer time frames. Like I said, I don't really think we have enough time for the CPI dollar news tomorrow to make a complete wave C of wave B before it actually does end up continuing back down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, one of the important things to notice is that we still barely have a break of structure. So if this does make an engulfing move to the downside, I would actually take it as a short. But I do believe that this is the end of a wave B, and I do believe that it's probably not going to make that engulfing move, and that it's probably more likely that over the next day or so it is going to continue to trend up, probably at least to the 50% or the 38% to finish off this wave C of B. It would be nice if it did this over the next 24 hours, so that way at the CPI tomorrow, we can have a clear entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.